Sige na, go ahead.
Good morning, good morning.
No, this time is not good morning. This is afternoon.
This is... How are you?
I'm fine. I'm always beautiful.
What is beautiful?
Pretty.
Ugly.
Ugly? is-
Ugly.
I'm not ugly. I'm a beautiful.
Who is the ugly here?
You.
Huh?
Sige, sige, sige.
What do you mean by ugly?
The ugly is the face is bad.
Hello, Ikino.
Isa pa. Sige, go.
You read that?
What is that?
Sabi-
Veterinary animal checkpoint.
What is the meaning of veterinary checkpoint?
Checkpoint.
Mga nga ni. What
The veterinary animal checkpoint, the animals here, if drop here, there's a checkpoint. Sige. Oh, don't speak Bisaya. You speak English.
What is the meaning of veterinary?
The veterinary is the animals.
This is the animals.
Yeah.
So those are animals then?
Yeah, if
Those
there is
very-
animals
Those people there are animals?
pass by, there is a checkpoint to check the animals.
What do you mean check?
You check the inside the door.
Ay.
What? Wow. Again. Go. How about Mikey? Why you're so sad there?
Oh,
Why you're so sad? What is your thinking about?
Ah! La, gawa na.
You just thinking your girlfriend? You always mind your girlfriend? Why she's not here? Why she is not here? Mga bala kayo ah.
Oh, English pala.
Hindi na may nasugdan diri. Uy, there is something wrong for me because I have no money at all.